when metals are produced in coil form, all the way up to the melt mill down to a mill like my own, we traditionally see that material is a little bit thicker in the center of the strip and then tapers off and is a little bit thinner on the edges. When we roll, we're pushing that thickness and consistency out to the edges. So sometimes we'll see a customer who is picky, for lack of a better word, about the flatness of their material or the thickness variation across the width of the strip. And they want to see that the material is very uniform. Well, if we're going to slit later, we can push some of that thickness variation out to the edge and take a kind of a filet mignon cut out of the middle of the strip, giving you material that is very uniform and very constant in thickness. For some of our battery manufacturing customers' applications, that helps them reach the next stages of their development and solve some issues they were having, specifically with tension on some of their coil-to-coil lines. So if that's something that you're looking at, is producing batteries in a coil-to-coil environment, and you have tension problems as material rolls through your machinery, then a good thing to look at is the thickness variation across your strip.